I gotta go high. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mo Guns Less Problems. Y'all already know I'm Mo, and today's video, it's a Glocktastic day. It is hot than a mug out here. We out here at Renaissance Shooting Club, and today we just gonna run these Glocks because we did a couple of upgrades to them. So we just trying to see how they are gonna run. If you follow the Instagram, you know, but I go through everything during this video. But today just gonna be a little shoot around. You know, these are EDCs and potential EDCs, so we're just gonna see how accurate we can get. Not exactly sure how far we are, but I'm gonna say possibly 15 yards from the cardboard target as well as the steel. So we're gonna get right to it. What happened? Oh wait, spinning a staccato P, 16 years old, staccato.
That one's too loud.
I'm shooting way to the left.
Yeah, you left.
See you left.
You gotta come right.
I shot way to the left.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, we did. You got it.
Maybe because I'm like cata-cornered.
Yeah.
I think that's what's going on. Let's run another mag. We changed out the recoil springs to the what is it, babe?
What's that?
What are these springs again?
The what?
The springs again?
Guy rods?
Yeah, the guy rods. What are they?
Tungsten?
Tungsten. Yes, tungsten. We changed that out to that. I almost shot my hollow tips. Oh. You want to run it?
Yes.
All right, babe, finna come run this thing real quick. Oh, also, we got the babies. Logie gonna shoot Layton's gun. I was extra close to the camera just now. Hey, my baby, getting ready. Go, baby, go, baby.
I'm used to the electronics, so I can't hear nothing you saying.
Oh, so I can talk stuff?
Yeah, pull him up on Loki. Ready? You
Yep.
want me to shoot at the cardboard?
Try to target.
What do you? Mama.
I think I'm left too.
You hit in the middle just now.
I did. I saw that.
Yeah. It is a good shooting, babe.
I saw it when I hit in the center, but the other ones I didn't see.
Yeah, that was good. Let me go check out the target. Okay, so guys, oh my goodness. First of all, I know what I was doing wrong because I did all of this. I put all of these over here, and then I start getting over here. Maya put some over here, but not as many as I did, right? Because I'm like cata-cornered, and y'all see how the little stand is. It's like somebody shot this bad boy up, but yeah. So I'm gonna get more in front of it so I can get an angle, because let me see if I can show y'all. Let me back up. I'm gonna back up. Oh, got the toes out today. Stop playing with the toes. So this is where I was shooting at. This is me, and this is where I was shooting at. So it was kind of like at an angle right here. So but I got all of this to the side of me. So what I'm gonna do is come directly in front of this target right here. I'm gonna come directly in front of this target. That way we can see what these sights hitting for.
Too high. There you go. High up.
Jeez, I can't get that one.
Yeah, you shouldn't over it.
Going at an angle for me.
Yeah, you shooting above it. Oh, you nicked that one. There you go. That was low. Still way above it. You gotta wait till we put yours out.
Found the ground on the ground. It's good. It's nice. All right. That was the Glock 17. We're going to get back to it, but now I'm finna let baby run her Glock 48. I don't know why I'm so close to this camera. Tweaking. I'm finna let baby run her Glock 48. We got upgrades on that bad boy too. Still with the original sight, so we finna see what it do. If you want to run on the target just to see where you at, you could do that, or you could just hit the steel. However you want to do it, babe.
Do one on the cardboard first.
Okay.
I feel like everything is going to the left.
That's that catty corner. That's that angle.
It's weird. Yes, it is.
That one was low.
So I was like, high?
Huh?
Steel? It's high?
Go ahead. Let's shoot it again. I didn't see that one. Oh, nice.
That's that angle too. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
I feel like that's better to work with than that angle.
Yeah. All right, Glock 48. Running the Glock 48. I'm gonna go for the steel. Clear. I love this.
Yeah.
This is a really good gun. This is a sweet. I would carry this. I would totally carry this. Hey, can I have it?
No.
Oh.
You got the 17.
Dang. I can't have this one?
No.
All right, I'm going to start with the 17.
Alright. Recording.
It's gonna start now.
dropped the mag.
Plus, when you fire,
Bruh.
Come on.
I guess that's why you practice that. I dropped the mag. Ah.
It's hot.
It is hot.
It's very hot.
It's very hot.
Very hot.
All right, time for the boys to shoot. We'll get right back to these Glocks. There you go. All right. Tell them what we finna do, lady.
You can shoot this gun.
Who gun is that?
Mine.
All right. You know what your gun chambered in?
Yeah.
What's your caliber?
I don't know.
22.
22.
Come on, man. You gotta shoot at the pink.
That's the thing.
Safe direction, finger off the trigger until ready to fire. I don't know where that went.
It ran to the PC.
I ain't see it. Fire when you ready. Oh, nice. It went to the 7. That one went off to the right. Aim for the pink. Use your sights. Put that little hole to the front of that hole and line that front hole with that paper. Down, too low, too low. Low.
No.
Make sure you aiming. Are you aiming?
Yeah.
It ain't like you gonna box.
Put it in his shoulder. He got it like, yeah, in his chest.
Nuh-uh, Stand up straight. Don't lean back. Stand up straight. There you go. Look at that. See? You gotta stand up straight. Come on. There you go. All right. Let me see it for brother. Logie. Ready? Yeah. One more shot. Stand up straight in there. That one went to the left. All right, y'all. We gonna let Logan shoot for the first time. How about that?
He goes shoot.
All right, Logie. Logie 2, all right? He's 2. Come on.
Watch out, Layton.
Okay, you ready?
All right.
All right.
I
Got
can
big
shoot
and
right
right here, baby.
Layton, on this side. Come back.
Hold on. Nemo gonna put it back. Ready?
All right.
Pull it. Woo!
Oh, stop,
What'd he say?
How you like that?
I want to try.
You want to do it again?
Not again.
You
I
wanna
want
do
to
it again?
Wait.
Oh. Mommy.
Okay, ready?
Mommy.
Wait. Hold it right there. Okay. Ready? Pull it. Pull the trigger. Trigger.
He right behind it.
Right there. Pull it. Woo! Oh, why?
Okay, it's my turn, mommy. No. My turn. I want to do that one. My turn.
You shoot it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay,
Good job, baby.
yeah. Mommy,
All right.
Oh man, his
wait,
glasses
Mama.
like this.
Mama, wait.
No, you're gonna break them.
Mama,
All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. We hot. We about to go get some barbecue.
Mama, I want to do
Bro, we done. Help me end this video. All right, never mind. We finna go get some barbecue. We'll end the video when we get to the house.
Mommy.
All right, after the rain, shout out to Smash Time for putting us on the meeting place. We about to have a meeting with this Q, trying to tell you. Hey guys, so let's talk about the upgrades to these Glocks, man. So we're gonna start with the Glock 17. Y'all already know this is my EDC now. First things first, I got the extended slide catch / release on there. Extended magazine. Y'all gonna see in the video where I screwed up. Well, never mind, y'all gonna see that first. But I screwed up and hit this thing while I was trying to walk them down or whatever.
You hit it?
Yeah, I hit the mag release and dropped the mag.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like,
So yeah, I got all of that. What else we got? Triticon, HDs, the sights. I do a close up I guess later, because if I do it now, I'm gonna flag us both. But yep, y'all already know. As soon as it came out the box, handle grips was thrown on there. Also, we have, instead of the plastic guide rods, it's a tungsten guide rod. So this helped a lot. Like I could tell the difference as soon as I shot it. It just made it even more better for me, made me fall even more in love with this gun. Yeah, man. So let me show y'all. We still upgrading both of the Glocks. So these are the old sights, but it's in the wrong bag. But this is from the mag release. The mag release is from Tyrant, whatever you want to call it. These are the old guide rods for both Glocks, the 17 and the 48. Y'all can tell, or at least y'all know, everybody who got a Glock knows that it's plastic. So now it's full tungsten or whatever. So yeah, both guns are shooting like fantastic. Also, the slide release was also from Tyrant. And I need a trigger, but I really want that CMC trigger. Y'all already know I run with CMC. Great people over there. I'm waiting on them to drop that green one so we can get that green one in this Glock 17. But until then, I feel like all of the upgrades are done. Eventually, like, I would want to cut the slide. I just want to cut it like at the top or something. But yeah, nothing major. Probably do the little dip thing right here, smooth this out a little bit so it won't beat it up. Beat up the knuckle a lot or whatever. But other than that, man, it's gonna be complete once I get that trigger. I just want it to stay simple. I don't want no light on it, none of that. I just want it to run and run real good and do what I needed to do. So that's it on the Glock 17 as far as the upgrades for now. And baby, you wanna go ahead? Talk about Joe.
Glock 48.
I'ma steal it.
We did change this now, like she said. Mine's is gold in the front, but you can't really see it once you drop the slide. I'm still choosing what I want to do with this, just because this is the one that I plan on taking for my Cerakote class. So I'm not really sure if I want to just take something else or just do how I want it, because this still has like the original sights on it. So if I do, just go ahead and like change it out. I know what color I want, but the only major thing would be the trigger change, which I honestly don't have a problem with this trigger.
Yeah,
like
it's cool.
Just like this is fine now that the guide rod is changed. Even before it was fine, but it's a lot better with that changed. And like I said in the last video, the sights don't bother me, but I would like to switch them out. I just didn't rush to change it because like I'm fine with these. So I guess whenever I make up my mind, then it'll look different after a while for you. I really like this.
I do too. That
really
Glock 48 is a man, bro.
Yeah.
That's a sweet gun. Like, that is a really sweet gun. I like shooting that gun a lot.
Yeah, I really like this one. Even
She
with
won't
it
let
being
me even
single
see
stack.
it, but I'm gonna do
No.
it anyway. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm
That's
jacking
why.
that bad
That's
boy.
why I got the 48.
I'm jacking
And
that
she got
bad
the
boy.
17. No, like this.
Hey, summertime.
this
I'm
is
jacking that
mine.
bad boy.
Like you want a 48, you gotta buy your own 48. Cause you got the
Hey.
17, and I bought this one because I really like this one.
Okay, fair enough.
And you had like a hold on the 17, so
I did. I like the 17.
so have a hold on the 17, not my 48. Just saying.
All right, cool. So, like she said, freaking, what is it? The guide rod. The guide rod is changed out in that one, but everything else is still original.
I'm gonna fix it up first how I want it before I let her carry. So like,
then I'm not gonna carry it. That's gonna be your carry.
it's gonna be
all
colors,
glittered out and bedazzled
my
and shit.
colors, so then you can carry it like that.
All right. Yes. Hey, I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all think about this 17. I'm going gray and black. Those are my colors, gray and black. They didn't have a gray guide rod, so I got the stainless steel, which still
Works perfectly.
looks like my gray extensions here. Everything that's extended, it looks the same. Sorry to flag you all, but it looks the same. So yeah, today we was really just shooting these guns. This my EDC. That's possibly gonna be her EDC. Cause I'm sure you like that over the Hellcat Pro, yeah?
Yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. I don't know. She got about 3 EDCs. I don't know, man. I don't know. So, yeah. I mean, that's all we got on this video. I hope y'all enjoyed everything. We really just had a fun day, family day shooting. Logan shot for the first time. Logan will be 2 in April. And my baby already busting some. Teach your kids about guns and let them experience firearms. Don't have them all scared, and then when they scared, they get curious because they friends always talking about rah 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 and all that crazy stuff kids do. Let them experience it, teach them, and show them that it's dangerous not to mess with it, but also give them the experience to, you know, basically take out the curiosity and let them shoot and see for themselves. If they can understand you, they can understand knowledge of firearms as well. So with that being said, teach the kids, man. Teach the kids. Don't be ashamed. Don't be scared. None of that, man. And y'all can probably save like accidents, prevent accidents, or that curiosity that all these kids have about firearms. So teach the children. Anyway, other than that, y'all stay safe. Always remember, more guns, less problems.